Exposing the hidden gems in the freelancing world. Ready to make $7 a minute? Buckle up, it's possible. First up, freelancing. Sell your skills on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. Build a strong portfolio and network for repeat business. Second, online tutoring. Teach subjects you love on websites like VIPKid or Chegg Tutors. Create engaging lessons and you could be raking in the cash. Third, affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions through Amazon Associates or share a sale. The trick? High quality, valuable content. Fourth, content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, choose your poison. Consistency and engagement are your best friends here. Fifth, day trading. High risk, high reward. Educate yourself and develop a solid trading plan. Sixth, task-based platforms. Complete small tasks on TaskRabbit or Amazon MTurk. Efficiency is key. Lastly, online courses. Share your expertise on Udemy or Teachable, create valuable content and promote it well. While $7 a minute might sound ambitious, with dedication and the right strategy, it's within reach. Ready to get started? The journey to financial freedom begins now.